This is just how you connect to a database. In ordinary NHibernate, you'd probably do this by directly manipulating configuration or having some XML somewhere or whatever. Instead, we just go fluently configure our database with MS SQL configuration, and here's some stuff. That might be right, and hasn't thrown an exception when I ran it, so we'll find out. We've got to do two things. One of them is, outside here a second, is define how we map our objects to the database. The other one is create the database, because we haven't got one. I have, in theory, made one in here, and it's completely empty. I can show you that. There we go. No tables. Doesn't exist. Nothing in there at all. Empty. We'll deal with the mappings first, and then we'll deal with that. So, because we're in a fluent land, we simply type our mappings. Oh, add brackets for me. This is what a time saver. No, it's not that. That was bad. Why is it doing that? Someone tell me why it's doing that. I don't want to do that. It's a lambda expression. Can I have a lambda expression, please? Ah, thank you. Yeah. I see you have some resharping users in the room. They'll come in useful for this presentation. Right. So, simple fluent stuff. Here's the mappings. I'm going to swim with them. I'm going to actually put this in method down here somewhere, because then I can just look at that and ignore the configuration, if that's all right. So I'm just going to pass that into here and forget all about it, because it keeps life easy for us. So that's where we define our mappings. I'm going to go down to our mappings over here.